But the economics felt like, right away I could say, whoa. In the early months, when Putin went to India, talked to Modi, and went to China and talked to Xi Jinping, and then I went, because I know how to do that, and I followed the oil and the gas trade. And where are the oil and gas lines being built? They had made a deal. And the deal was to move the oil and gas from Russia, sell it to China and India, and use the money to buy the products from India and China to replace those that they wouldn't buy from the West, because they didn't have the dollars to do it with. And then you saw it, and it all came together. The Chinese have become the manufacturer of the world. And if it's not Chinese, it's Vietnamese or Bangladeshis. They will sell to Russia. There's no problem. They want that business, they'll sell to Russia. And they make everything. The Russians are not going to be deprived of being unable to trade with Western Europe and America, because this is what Americans don't get. There's nothing made here that they don't make better and cheaper. And I use as an example, I don't know if, here's the economist hat. I'll give you an example. Electric vehicles, electric car, electric truck. The best electric cars and trucks in the world, right now, as we speak, are made in China. It is the world leader in electric cars and trucks. And that's the future of cars and trucks. Okay, the Chinese have the best and the cheapest. Okay, so the whole world is making the transition for reasons of pollution and climate change, but also for reasons of economizing on oil and gas and all of that. They're making the switch. Where are they going to buy it? They're going to buy them in China. Russia can re-equip its entire fleet by buying from China. With what? With the money they get from selling China the oil and gas. It'll run those cars that are still running on oil and gas, plus heat people's homes and make the electricity and all the rest. You can't play the way you did before. Before the United States, if you go to Cuba, they're driving cars made in the 50s. Cobbled together, cannibalized Jeeps and stuff. Why? Because they can't replace it. But the rest of the world is different. It's like telling Israel, you can't do settler colonialism now. You could do it then, but you can't do it now.